Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to rename or change user profile folder in Windows 10. Type Computer Management in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand local users and groups. Right-click Administrator, click Properties. Uncheck Account is disabled. Click Apply, OK. Sign out and log in with administrator account. Click File Explorer. Click this PC, C drive. Click User Folder. Change user profile folder name. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows NT. Click Current Version. Click Profile List. Find your username. Right-click Modify. Copy your profile folder name path. Paste it into value data. Click OK, and exit registry. .NET.PL was in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click your username. Click Properties. Change username. Click Apply, OK. Log in with new renamed user account. Type Computer Management in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Disable built-in administrator account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.